Hi friends, make a repair of the floor on the boat. I'm already glued this piece of OSB. I say it's have a special line because it's have this cut for fuel line and level. Lower part is just straight. This maker is like a cut corner. Tap on the first level of plywood. I put fiberglass, then put second layer, and then again put fiberglass and epoxy. And on this side I put two layer of fiberglass for have one level of the floor. Factory floor on this area top, but on this stay on a level. Right now I put epoxy on the joint. On the top I use scotch for have a flat epoxy. This one. Then after 1 hour remove tape and have a flat epoxy. This dark it's just dust plywood. I won't use another plywood, but when I check it, it's very bad plywood, and I use this one. Right now I already cut this fiberglass. It's really thin fiberglass, and right now I need to glue it on this floor. Right now I already cut 3 pieces on this area, one on left, right, and on the center. There's one. Right now we mix epoxy and start glue it fiberglass. And tap on the fiberglass I put epoxy on the second layer for floor be strong. Already put polyester epoxy on the floor on this area, and my polyester almost end. I put what I have on the front area, and on this area it's like shine, you see. I use epoxy because polyester I not have anymore, and have a problem. Polyester when it mixed with epoxy, it's not dry, it stays soft. It's 2 days ago I use. On this area it's like gel, not hardened. Not mix epoxy and polyester together for not have same problem like I have it. Right now I need to clean up where it's not dry. Put new fiberglass and epoxy. Right now I clean up and use epoxy on this area too. Okay guys, thank you for watch. Put likes, write comments, subscribe, share, and see you again on the YouTube.